Hey, future CAs, I know most of you may be anxious for your exams, but hear me say this. First day of school, first day of college, or your first date, you would have been anxious, right? Or imagine India has to hit 6 runs and 2 balls in World Cup finals. We all bite our nails and we are anxious. That means it's okay to be anxious and scared for things that we care, and your exam is coming just a few hours away or just a day away, and I'm sure you'll be anxious, and it's okay. Let me tell you two important stories at this point for most of you who are going through something or some kind of goosebumps in your stomach, guys. First, Michael Phelps, 2008 Olympics. Not many people know about this, guys. In the 2008 Olympics, when Michael Phelps was swimming, in his goggles, water went inside. So, because water went inside, he can't see and he didn't know when he has to take the lap reverse. If he uses his hand to remove the goggles, he's going to lose time. So, do you know what he did? He just closed his eyes. He remembered how many strokes he had to take. He just kept going. He closed his eyes. He swam with the number of strokes and he finished the race and he won the gold medal. How did he do it? He did that because of a lot of practice. He knew exactly how to win that race, guys. You guys have practiced so many times. So sometimes in exam there will be difficult questions, difficult situations. Like Michael Phelps, the outside world will not know what he is going through. But how did he win the gold medal there? He never won the gold medal in perfect conditions. He won the gold medal because of his presence of mind. So in exam, have a very good presence of mind if difficult paper comes. Second story, Deepika Kumari, India's #1 archer and world's #1 archer. Do you know how she practiced in her early days? She used to shoot at mango trees at mangoes. She made handmade bow and all of that because she never had a coach, she never had an academy, but all she had was focus, grit, and determination to do it. Most of you, from where you're coming from, maybe you didn't have the best of the classes, maybe you didn't have the best of revisions, maybe you didn't have parent support, but despite all of that, you are here one day away from exams, writing your exam, studied in whatever situation. That itself means you are already heroic, you're already there, you're just one step away. So all you need is your best efforts now. It is okay to feel this way, guys. Go ace through all the exams, not because it is easy, but you are built for it. Like how a Mahindra SUV is built for terrain, guys. You guys are ready and built for the exams. Little bit of doubt, it's okay, but try to be positive and manifest all you can. So in the comments, guys, I want a lot of positivity. What are the positive things do you do? How are you manifesting your results? How are you manifesting your exam? Put it in the comments. Let the comments be a place of positive vibes that you all see before the exams, guys. My last minute wishes for all of you. Go do well. Wishing you most and more, guys. Thank you.